Hey sixth graders, Happy New Year! I hope you had a wonderful break and have been getting out and playing in the beautiful winter wonderland that we have here in Michigan. Today we're going to be adding and subtracting decimals. So, to add or subtract decimals, first thing you're going to do is you're going to line up decimal points. That helps us with our place values too, right? You can insert zeros when necessary as placeholders. And then, of course, you will add or subtract as you normally would. And it's always important to remember to bring down the decimal. Okay? So, here are some examples today. Number 1, 7 and 1900ths plus 3 and 5400ths. So you're going to line up the decimal points. And these have the same number behind the decimal, so we don't really need to worry about that. And we're adding. So I'm going to bring my decimal point straight down. I have 9 plus 4 is 13. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So that would be your answer. For our second example, 2 and 372 thousandths plus 16 and 8 tenths. So I'm going to write these vertically. And then I can insert zeros here to hold that place value. It doesn't change my number a bit, okay? 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 8 is 11. Make sure you're bringing your decimal point down. 1, 2, 3 plus 6 is 9. 19 and 172 thousandths. Okay, here are a couple of subtraction examples, and then that's going to be it for today. Hopefully easy peasy, right? Lining up our place values and adding and subtracting. So 6 and 407 thousandths minus 2 and 192 thousandths. So I'm going to rewrite this vertically. I'm going to bring my decimal straight down. Now remember, I'm subtracting. So 7 minus 2 is 5. I can't take 9 from the 0. So I have to borrow from the 4, so that becomes a 3. 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So my answer is 4 and 215 thousandths. All right. One last example here. 42 and 3 tenths minus 3 and 905 thousandths. So when I rewrite them vertically, I'm going to add zeros when necessary, right? Okay, so our decimal points are lined up. I can't take 5 from 0, and I can't borrow from here, so I first have to borrow from this 3, so it becomes a 2. This becomes a 10, but then I'm borrowing from it, so it becomes a 9, and this becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 9 I can't do, so I have to borrow from this 2. It becomes a 1. 12 minus 9 is 3. Remember, I'm bringing my decimal point straight down. I can't take 3 from 1, so I'm borrowing from the 4. 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus nothing is 3. So I have 38 and 395 thousandths. So if you were to add these two bottom ones, you should get the top number. If you were to add these two bottom ones, you should get the top number, right? Those all look fairly reasonable. All right, have a fantastic Monday. Don't forget your assignment. Have a good day, guys.